Well friends, here is problem number 76. Before going to the problem, I will read the given direction. The direction is, the questions given consist of series of figures which are incomplete. In order to complete the series, select the correct figure from the given choices. And here are the given figures, and we have to select this missing figure from the given 4 choices. So the first figure I will draw here. This is like this. Okay, the next figure, if you see, do you find any observation? What observation then you can make by seeing these two figures? Yes, this line is moved by 45 degrees. This line is moved by 45 degrees and it comes here in the clockwise direction. This is the observation that I made by observing these two figures. Now in the third figure, you can see here in the third figure, you can see clearly this line again moved by 45 degrees in clockwise direction. And even you can go with the last, that is fourth figure. It's a like straight line. If you compare these two, you are going to say that this line is moved by 45 degrees in clockwise direction, then it will appear like this. So this means that this line is moving in clockwise direction by 45 degrees. In every next figure, it is moved 45 degrees in clockwise direction and this line remains at the same place. So that has to be observed in the choices. Whichever it matches, that will be our right option. So here is our last, that is fourth figure, and we have to find the next, that is fifth figure. So if you move this line 45 degrees in clockwise direction, then it will appear like this, isn't it? This line is moved 45 degrees in the clockwise direction. That will appear like this. Okay, so this will be the missing figure, and you just compare this figure with the given 4 choices. Whichever it matches, that will be our right option. If you see the first choice, yes, it is not matching. If you see second, yes, it is not matching. If you see third option, yes, it is exactly matching. So the third option or the third choice is the correct one. So this is how we solve this example, just by observation, by observing these given figures, and finally we found the missing figure by eliminating wrong options. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.